Everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to A Vintage Vanity. And as always, I am super excited for today's video because you guys are here. And we're going to do something fun and different on the channel, and that is the No Mirror Hairstyle Challenge. I've actually done the No Mirror Makeup Challenge closer to when it was actually a little bit more relevant, and I'll place a link up there. But I just thought I wanted to have fun today. So here's the thing. I did prep my hair by using heat protectant and a curling iron, and because curling irons using a mirror and with my eyes are dangerous enough, I didn't want to do it with no makeup or no mirror. So I did already prep everything, but everything from here out is done with no mirror. I've even turned the monitor for the camera away, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to do my regular kind of like swooping wavy style that I like to do. So with that, I have got my Lady Luck smoothing serum and pomade handy with me, and I've got my hairspray, the Honey Hold Organics, and I have my Denman brush and my teasing brush. I am gonna go ahead and take all the hair down. It feels like everything. Okay. So now I'm just going to brush them. Just kind of break them up. Oh, this is gonna be so hard, you guys. I'm already thinking to myself, like, I'm gonna look like a crazy woman. But it's okay. It's okay. We can feel when our hair is smooth. This is gonna be fine. As I find another clip hidden in my hair, wrapped around all my hair. Hey, don't pull out my hair. Okay. 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 I'm gonna say okay a lot. I can feel it.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay. I feel like my part is really wonky, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So yeah, we're rolling up the sleeves. Just gonna put a little of my soothing serum in. Ah, it smells marvelous. Smells divine. All right, now to find my part. And quite honestly, I shouldn't even have to do anything. My hair should know where its part is. Hair, do thy part. Wiggle, wiggle. Did that help? No. Damn it. Okay. So normally I do from about the corner of my forehead. That feels good. That feels good, actually. No? No, it doesn't. Let's do that again. Okay. Oh, that feels good. I think I got it. I did, didn't I? Nailed it. Okay. So now, and now I'm going to section off my hair. Ooh, that's a big section. And I'm going to start back combing. I do feel like I cheated a little bit because had I done a foam roller set, it would have been a lot harder to tame the curl. But also I didn't want us to be here for a year. That feels teased. Yeah. Alright, I'm trying to take the thinnest section. These are not thin sections. I can feel it. I'm an expert at feeling hair and being like, no, that's not right, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Are you teased? You're not teased, are you? Oh, is it cheating that I can kind of see my hair off to the side? Okay. Okay. See, I don't know why I say okay so much. I'm trying to convince myself that it's all okay. All right. That's a new word. All right. All right. Again, trying to convince myself it's all right. Okay, this is the part that I'm really worried about. Oh, oh. Okay. I don't want to lose my part because once the part is gone, it just all goes downhill from there. All right. But I do want to take much thinner sections here. Gives nice, oh, what is that? Am I losing my hair? That felt like a good section. So I'm going to try my best not to kind of merge those sections. Oh no. Okay, okay. You know what? I think I'm going to be pretty good at the teasing part. Good Lord. When I take like 3 strands, I'm going to be really good at teasing, and I take like 2 strands of hair. But I feel like the teasing part is going to be pretty easy because, you know, we just making a rat's nest out of our hair. That shouldn't take a mirror to do, right? The other side of my forehead, I'm good. So I'm going to give it a spritz. Let it dry a little bit. Now, this is the hard part. I have to find my part. It should be somewhere around here. Ooh. Oh, that's a part. Isn't it? Yes, that's a part. Ha-ha! I found it. Okay, I got this. Oh, this is so easy. I got it. Okay, that feels good. I think I like that. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm worried that the curls down here aren't matching my volume. So I am going to try and break up the curls just by feeling things that are together. Separate them. Okay. That should I? Okay, I'm gonna pomade a little bit because I feel like the one thing that is gonna get me in this hairstyle is flyaways. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I feel like my curls are a lot smoother. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. I feel like they're kind of losing their curliness. Is that true? Is it? Why don't you guys tell me? Oh, hairspray spraying under. This feels good, you guys. God, I am a master. I feel like in my head I have so many bad jokes that are inappropriate for YouTube. Okay. I can't stop saying it. I can't. So I'm just crisscrossing my bobby pins behind the ear there to kind of bring that back. All right, good, 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 good. Oh, see, this is what I'm afraid of. I feel like I'm not going to get my signature swoop. This side was the easy side. I left all the hard stuff to the end. Because the problem is I don't think my teasing was on base enough. Like, I don't think I over-directed. Because usually when I do the big swoop, I will over-direct the hair and tease really hard at the base. So that way, when you bring it over, it kind of is a little bit like that. If that makes sense. I will place a link on the screen if this is your first time here. And you're wondering if I say anything besides okay and alright and oh my god. Have I said oh my god? No, I need to start. Oh no, that's No, 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 no. Okay. I will place a card on the screen to a better version of the hairstyle I'm actually trying to do. If you guys have ever been here, I don't have a wave at all, do I? Damn it. Maybe? What's that? What is that? What is that? That's hair. On my head. What a shock. This is... I feel like it's flat, right? It's flat right here. It's flat right here. Can I... Oh no! I feel like I have a lopsided swoopy doop. Oh no. Okay. Seriously. I need someone to count my number of okays. Okay. I can't stop. I cannot stop. I keep looking at your forehead instead of your eyes. Like looking in the lens is actually going to show me anything. Can I see anything in the lens? No. No. Okay. What can I do here? This is lopsided. I know it. I can feel it. Maybe if I pull it the other way. No, that just made a mess. Oh no, my nose is running. But guess where the Kleenex are? Right by my mirror. So, sniffle we will. This is so flat right here. I can't even. I can feel the flatness. Okay. We are going to try. Why is there so much hair? So much hair all over. It's Armageddon. Okay. I cannot stop for the life of me. Alright. There. That's better, right? And maybe that will help. I can feel a little bit of a little boop there, but I don't think it's a wave. I think it's just like a hump in the curl. It's kind of like what a wave is. But you know what I'm talking about, right? You do. You get me. I know you do. Okay. I can't stop. I cannot stop. This is so bad. This is so bad. And I can't even tell, like I've had like an issue with my hair right here where it's not looked great. So I'm going to assume that's still the case right there. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, it started out so good and I feel like it's uneven. Like this is really poofy over here. Oh, what's going on with the back of my hair? Why did I touch the back? Okay, just gonna brush that. That should be easy. Should be, right? Alright. We've got this. This is what I'm wearing out in public today, so I really hope it doesn't look bad. Okay. I can feel... Oh, and I can see... Oh, I cheated. I looked right at my curl. Okay. I mean, I think it's gonna be okay. I know. Who would have thought I would have said that word? I just don't think it's gonna be great. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I have my lopsided swoop, I think, with probably what's a gap right here. And then I've got a little hump in the hair. Excellent. To curliness down below. The back feels okay. Like no gaps or anything. I feel like doing the back of my hair is kind of easy because I usually can't see it anyway. So I just said ouch because I sprayed hairspray onto my neck. And you know what? It didn't hurt. It didn't. It was just annoying that I now had hairspray on my neck. So instead of saying oof or ooh, I said ouch. Alright, I don't want to put too much hairspray on it. Okay, so let's remove our clips. That feels pretty good. It took me a while. I feel like right in here it's a little messy though. Okay. So sorry. So sorry. This video is just filled with okays and alrights. So, here we go. I'm kind of nervous. Before I look, I think I did okay. Like I said, I think this is lopsided. I think there's a gap there and there's some frizziness. And it might be a little bit uneven or flatter than I'm normally used to. So, how'd I do? Oh! Oh! Damn! I freaking killed it! Oh my god! I can't believe I did this well. Am I impressed with myself? Oh, hell yeah. Guys, I mean, I will say this. It's not the look I was going for. And my swoop isn't my traditional swoop. And I don't have any type of wave right here. So as far as trying to do the hairstyle I set out to do, absolute positive fail. Doing a hairstyle that was actually wearable in public and didn't look ridiculous, nailed it. As predicted though, it is a little bit frizzier than normal, but I ain't mad at it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And as always, I love talking with you. So in the comment section below, let me know what you thought of today's video. And if you liked it, go ahead and click the big thumbs up like button. And if you're worried about missing me until my next upload, go ahead and follow me on all the social medias. And if you'd like to shop my clothing line, go ahead and click on that boomerang. Now, not to miss any videos on this channel, click on my face to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.